Hi everyone, in this video I'll be making an origami boomerang. Let's get started. I'll fold my paper in half. I'll be taking my time with this one for you today. I'm trying to make sure that all my folds are really neat and really precise. I'll unfold and then use the outside edges to fold towards the middle. Now, a little tip here is to give at least 1 millimeter or 2 from that middle crease, so that way things won't be overlapping. From here, I'll spin my paper around and then fold this in half. I'm not used to working with big pieces of paper, so just bear with me. So now I'll fold that bottom section so that the corners meet the middle crease. These creases are crucial for the next step, so I will need to reinforce these. You've got a few layers here, so it may be a little bit bulky depending on your paper. So once that's all done, unfold everything back to the start. You can see that you've got 2 squares in the middle of the paper from those folds. I'll emphasize those once more just to make it easier for the next step. I've used construction paper A4 size, so it was interesting using this to make the boomerang with. And I also spent a bit of time decorating the paper. On my sheet that I'm using, I drew symbols of a person, throwing spears, clapping sticks, and also emu prints. The next step will be quite technical. It can be a little bit tricky. So using one edge, I'll unfold that. Then what I have to do is do a bit of a maneuver where I allow the square to sink and then collapse onto the layer that's underneath. Then that top section gets folded over like this. So you can see a half of the boomerang there, and then we'll flatten the other section. Push the paper down so that it flattens. You will have a little layer that makes a corner up at the top. At the same time, you'll be tucking that corner in and allowing that extra layer to sit over the top, if that makes sense. So once the corner's tucked in, I'll flatten the rest of the paper. It was a little bit fiddly here. So the last little detail are the ends of the boomerang. I'll be folding the ends into little corners like this. The second corner that I've folded here is quite bulky. There's a few layers there, so I'll open this one up, press this in to make an inside reverse fold, and this makes a pocket. So if I put the extra layer over, I unfold that little corner. This gets tucked into that pocket that I just created. This allows the boomerang to be flat, so when you fly it, it's not going to come apart. Just tidying up a couple of things here, and then I will do the same on the other side. Luckily, on the other end, there's not too many layers here, so it's not as fiddly. Here we are, this is the finished boomerang. I'll give you a little demo of what it's like to fly. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.